this art museum. It's an art museum with all these paintings.
St. Louis Art Museum.
No, iba-ibang painting yan. Tingnan mo. This is a painting from 17... Oh, sorry. 1700 to 1785 right there.
Bumura
Mali
yan,
yung line. Hindi po ito this line. Right there.
18%.
Ma'am, pagkalat ko sa ano.
Ganda nito. Oh. Ayan, chip. Epe. Ano yan?
Gold.
Ano kalagay? Silver.
Maynard dish. Maynard dish.
Ayan, oh, silver.
Garlands
Ayaw
of
nga
flowers.
silver pa. Ang ganda.
Huwag mo
Very
anuhin.
No, I'm just pointing it. Silver.
beautiful.
Baka mapagalit. Ang galing, no?
Look at this.
Medyo punta natin dito.
Look at the
Pag 5
painting.
days lang pala sila hanggang 9.
Oh, yeah?
Tamang-tama yung ano, pag 5 o'clock Monday to Thursday, pag Friday hanggang 9. Tama yung punta natin. Perfect yung punta natin.
Don't cross the line.
Monday boy. Pakalitan na. 18th century European art.
Sino to? Joshua Reynolds.